Again, YouTubers. Now I never got around to making a video on this. I'm quite surprised by it, but I've had this in my room since 2009, and all I've ever done is replace the blades on it because one got broke. That's pretty much all I've had to do to it. But anyway, this is a 2009 Hunter Discovery ceiling fan. Yeah, we put it in 2009. So again, I was younger when we chose this fan, so, I don't know. Yeah, I chose it because I chose it because I liked it at the time, but, I don't know. I like it now because of the performance. Not so much on the design, because, you know, yeah, it's an age thing. Anyway, so yeah, I never got around to making a video on it, and now I am. So, 2009 Hunter Discovery ceiling fan. And, I guess I'll also make it a 2-in-1 video. A Victorian push-button light switch. The newest patent on this switch is 1910. So I'm guessing it's around 1910 or newer. So anyway, the switch plate's reproduction. I bought 2 of them at a, vintage hardware store in Oregon. I believe it was Astoria, Oregon. Yeah. So anyway, I bought 2 switches and 2 light, switch plates. One is actually an old one, and this one's a reproduction, I can tell. But anyway, I had to rig it into our wall with this thing. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna turn it on. This fan's not on for the purpose of the video. So anyway, here's the light. It's nice. I guess. Yeah, pretty much the light. Alright. Of course, the light only has 1 speed. Obviously. Okay. Here's the fan. I'm gonna start off on high. Really quiet fan until it starts shaking. The thing squeaks up there. I might oil it with some dry lubricant. But I'll try to stop the shaking. Alright. Or not the shaking, but the noise anyway. Moves a lot of air. Being a hunter. Speaking of hunter, got a Zephyr and other one that I'll make a video on later. Got a Hunter Sentry as well. Looks like a Zephyr. I'll make videos on them soon. There's medium. Yeah, I'm trying to catch up on all my videos. There's a lot of things I've got that I want to show you, but haven't had time, so I'm just gonna do a quick video now. Anyway, that was medium. Low. And while the chain's dangling over the little globe, it broke off, so, and I didn't feel like threading it through, so I just did that. I think that's low. I'm not sure. Yeah, that was low. Alright, it's off now. We'll do the reverse for the heck of it. Stop, the blades are nice. Here's the switch. I hate doing things one-handed. It kind of shakes a lot, but I'll do it. Hi. I could tell this isn't going to be good. Ooh, got some airflow over here. Oh, usually shakes the heck out of it. Or maybe that was with the old blade. The globe's a little bent though. Alright, medium now. Okay, sorry for all the shakiness. Been shaky today. Low now. Okay, not much speed difference between medium and low on any direction. Anyway, it was my 2009 Hunter Discovery with this light switch. It is a H&H. Anyway, so yeah, thanks for watching, and I'm actually going to make a video right after this one. So anyway, thanks for watching.